Here's how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. Now, if you're on an iPhone or an Android or even an iPad and you got a Roblox gift card and you wanted to add it to your Robux, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we want to do is open up the Roblox app here. And at the very top right is the Robux icon. Let's tap on that. And you'll be able to see my current balance is 701. Now you want to make sure what your current balance is. And from there, we actually don't need to use the app. You cannot use the app to redeem that gift card. Let's just hop in here. And so we have the gift card. It'll either be emailed to you or a physical gift card. But all we need to do is copy that string of numbers. So I'm going to copy that string of numbers or letters. And from there, we need to hop out of here and open up a web browser because you need to do this in a web browser. Let's go to roblox.com. And from here, you again need to make sure that you're logged into this account. So let's hit continue in browser and make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. After you've done that, we can finally go to roblox.com and /redeem. So roblox.com/redeem and hit go. From here, it just says enter your gift card number or promo code. So I'll paste that in here. And all I need to do is hit redeem here. And then it will add it to my Robux. If you want to, at the end, just tap on the Robux icon at the very top right to confirm that that actually was added on there and that it worked. And then basically you can use that to buy various things, whatever you want on the Roblox app if you want to then switch over to the app. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.